Hi, servandoorozco here at Orozco Auto Service. My message today is brakes. That's the #1 job product we provide to our customers' cars. The point is, when you do a brakes, basically what you paying or what you buying is getting more miles out of that brake job. When you do the brake job right with the right parts and the right technician, you should have 30,000-40,000 miles minimum or more. But I see sometimes when customers go someplace because of the promotion, because of the cheap brakes, whatever you want to call it, I see they getting 7,000-10,000 miles out of those brakes. The difference in price is not that much, but the difference in miles is huge. My advice is when you do brakes, make sure you take it to the right place, who has the right people, ethics, do it right for your car yourself. For more information, go to orozcoautoservice.com. Thank you. Have an amazing day.